In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to superimpose breathtaking overlays, like fire, glow, or light, onto your video creations. Let's dive right in and transform your videos into stunning, eye-catching content. First things first, you're going to import your chosen overlay. This could be something dramatic like fire, perhaps a soothing glow, or even some dynamic light overlays. Your overlay will sit above your main video on the timeline. Think of this as layering. Your overlay becomes the top layer, while your main video remains the base. Next up, navigate to the right panel in CapCut. Here, you'll find the blend mode options crucial for creating seamless visual effects. You have a few choices: screen, add, or lighten. Choosing screen will help your overlay blend in smoothly with the video, especially if it involves bright elements like light or glow. The add mode enhances the brightness, making the overlay pop, which is great for fire effects. Lighten works well when you want just the highlights from the overlay to stand out without overpowering the main video. Experiment with these modes to see what best fits the mood and style of your project. Now that you've got your blending sorted, it's time to resize and reposition your overlay using the preview window. This step is crucial because you want the overlay to enhance, not overshadow, your main content. Click and drag the edges of your overlay to adjust the size. Move it into position by clicking and dragging the overlay around the preview space until you're satisfied with its placement. Remember, this is your chance to get creative. Don't be afraid to play around until it feels just right. Moving on, let's focus on adjusting the opacity and timing of your overlay layer for a touch of realism. Lowering the opacity can help the overlay mesh naturally with your video, making it appear as an integrated part of the scene. You want that fire or glow to look real, not like a sticker placed on top. Additionally, fine-tune the timing of the overlay layer so that it synchronizes perfectly with the events in your video. That way, your overlay enhances moments without feeling out of place. Finally, it's time for the preview and adjustment phase. Watch your video from start to finish to see how your overlay looks in action. Take note of any areas where it might need tweaking. Does the fire overlay look too bright? Maybe the glow could be positioned more to the left. Even the smallest adjustment can elevate the visual impact. And there you have it, a beautifully enhanced video that's sure to capture attention. With these steps, your overlays won't just sit on top of your footage, they'll become a part of the story you're telling. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.